Photo Mixer is a popular Android application designed for photo editing and manipulation, enabling users to create stunning images by combining multiple photos seamlessly. The app provides a user-friendly interface that allows individuals to easily blend, overlay, and merge images, making it ideal for both casual users and photography enthusiasts. With a variety of editing tools and features, Photo Mixer enables users to adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, and other aspects of their photos. Users can apply artistic filters, add text, and incorporate various effects to enhance their images further. The app often supports multiple layers, allowing for more complex compositions and creative freedom. Additionally, Photo Mixer includes options for resizing, rotating, and cropping images, ensuring that users can achieve the desired results. Overall, Photo Mixer empowers users to unleash their creativity by transforming ordinary photos into extraordinary artworks, making it a valuable tool for anyone looking to enhance their photographic creations.